Good day, beautiful people. Brother Jamil tapping in. I just want to give my little testimony and experience on the little time that I spent within this dropshipping course brought to me by my mentor, coach, Sir Stallion. It has been an amazing ride. As soon as I set up my store, I don't know about everybody else, but me personally, literally a couple days later, the sales started coming through so fast that I couldn't keep up. It's amazing how when you believe in self and support small black businesses, it allows you to truly do for self and support the cause of Black Lives Matter. So by believing in myself and my brother, I made a small investment. I was easily able to make my return plus more. So I highly advise this course for any and everyone striving to make a second source of passive income. Peace and blessings. Tap in.